Hi, my name is Andy Fox. I'm the VP of Sales for iValu8, and today I'm going to show you how to build a marketing campaign using the iValu8 platform. iValu8 is a solution for building mobile and social media marketing campaigns quickly and easily using a web-based platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign into an account that I've set up. And you can see it takes me to a dashboard. Now there's no data there because we haven't run any campaigns. I'm going to go over to the campaign section, and I'm going to go over to the campaign builder, and this will bring up an authoring tool that will allow me to author a campaign. Now you can see when the authoring tool comes up, it provides me a bunch of different categories, and from those categories I can select a template. What I want to do is I want to build a simple rate and reward survey campaign. You can see there's a bunch of templates here, and the template I want to use is this one right here, rate to plus vote on an image, which basically asks 2 rating questions and also allows me to vote on an image. So I'm going to load that. And you can see what it does is it brings up the template into an authoring tool. Now I can start to personalize and customize the template for my specific campaign. So I've typed in a title. I'm going to upload a splash image, and you'll see. So I'm going to click on a splash image here that I've created. Now it brings that splash image up. I'm going to change the background color of it to kind of make it look a little more appealing. I could go back here and change the color of the header. So the tool gives me the ability to actually customize capabilities and features of it. I'm going to delete some social media capabilities. I don't need Instagram for this campaign. I don't need LinkedIn for this campaign, but I am going to allow the user to authenticate through Facebook, through Twitter, through Google, and also through email. I'm going to add a SMS keyword so the user can access the campaign through SMS. iValu8 checks to make sure that keyword is available, then I'll enable it. I can add terms and conditions, and then I'm going to save it. The next step is to actually edit the campaign itself. So you see the template actually already pre-populates with a number of campaign questions and pages. I'm going to change the headers using some pre-created assets. Then I can go and actually change the questions themselves to make them more appealing to my particular campaign. So I can actually have 2 questions here. I'm going to ask 2 different questions. Then the user would actually, when they see the campaign, they would actually click on the number of stars for the rating. So obviously this is for a car rental agency. This is actually a free flow comment box. So now that I've created the first page, there's a couple of other things that I can do. I can go into the lockbox and determine if the field should be optional or if the user is required. I don't want to make the last question required. I'll make it optional so the user doesn't have to enter that. Now I can proceed to the next page. On the next page, what I'm going to do is provide the user a choice of images that they can vote on with regards to a specific car that they want to rent. And then I can actually upload some images. So I'm going to add 3 images that users can select from. I'm going to add 1 more image. And 1 more comment here. I'm actually not going to make this optional. I'm going to make this something that the user actually has to add. So if the user doesn't type into this space, the system will come back and tell the user you need to do this. I'm going to save. Then I'm going to go on to the next section, which is really about the rewards. In this particular case, I'm going to upload a specific coupon. So I'm going to add a coupon specific to the campaign, which is a 25% discount coupon that loads up there with the barcode. I'm going to type in some text. I can also have an option here for the user to enter their email so they can actually save the reward to use later. And there's a little option here that allows me to do that right there. So that allowed me to put an email form here for saving the reward. And then I'm going to save this section. And really the last part is the scheduling, and there's a couple of other pieces of information. To add the title again so that the user can see the name of the campaign in their directory. Some tags, or description actually. Then some tags. It's actually not going to be a template anymore. It's going to be a full-flown campaign. I can put a short link in here so that the user can type in a few letters to actually access the campaign through the web. Check that, make sure that exists. Then I can assign that. And then I'm going to schedule the campaign. I want the campaign to run through the end of the year. And that's it. Save. And now the campaign is ready to be taken. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration.